Hey loves, it's vikishub here. So this is gonna be another series of me reviewing some of the designs or DIY designs I've made in the past. So today in particular, I'm gonna be reviewing this this t-shirt I made in the past. So I'm gonna insert a little clip as to how I did this originally and what it looked like before. But if you take a look closer, these are stones. Alright, so I used the glue, fabric glue, and stones to just cover up the letters basically. So but unfortunately, this stay on, like as you can see, some are still on there, but some has fallen out. All right, because I use fabric glue. So some of my designs or some of my projects actually did use fabric glue with stones, smaller stones like this. They did stay, but unfortunately for this is like they were sewed together, right? The stones and they were just together, lumpy together. So it was a bad idea using fabric glue because they did fall off. Unlike some of the ones I used, hot fix wand, alright, they stay put. So I was supposed to use this instead. This is some a hot fix wand. In case you don't know, it's basically use it to activate hot fix stones instead. Like, you don't need to use glue, you just activate it, plug this in, it becomes really hot, sorry, and then you activate it and it stays on, because the hot fix stones do come with, I think, attached glue at the back. You see the back is always black. Wait, let me just show you guys. All right, so a hot fix stone will have a black back. As you can see, the the face of the stone or is actually silver. Here is actually silver, while the flat back will be black in color. All right, yeah, so that's that. This was what I was supposed to do, but I didn't have this available then. I didn't have this hot fix available then, so I used this instead, and most of it did follow. But I'm gonna try it anyway and show you guys. So I recommend that if you want to make a stone design, better to use hot fix, because those ones are really sure and they'll stay. But you can use fabric glue if you'll be placing the stones sparsely, because there if you guys watch most of my videos, there's one of the shoe designs I also made using these stones with just fabric glue, and it stayed put because it was sparsely placed. So yeah, I'm gonna try this on and we'll see what it looks like.